Pacific market is one of the most interesting and one of the fastest growing regions for us in Alliance laundry systems. We are now seeing that there is an increase in terms of urbanization. There is a big rise of the middle class, that they can have a place that they can do their laundry in a very fast, very convenient and a very hygienic way.
Market laundry di Indonesia pada tahun 2026 itu sangat bagus sekali, terutama laundry self-service dengan outlet-outlet yang besar dan mesin-mesin yang industrial grade.
Ya, laundry itu adalah kebutuhan semua orang ya, dan Indonesia itu memiliki jumlah penduduk yang sangat besar yaitu 280 juta, dan itu adalah market yang sangat potensial untuk industri laundry.
What we term as the VIP markets. So here we are looking at Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines, Cambodia, Laos, where we find that there is a big shortage of laundromats. So the customers are actually they all need to have a place that they all can do their laundry, but there is a shortage of them. So there's a lot of opportunity that we are seeing. So looking forward, I think Asia Pacific there is going to be a lot of big growth for us going forward.